Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I am working with these gnomes today, and I hope that you will join me. My idea today is to work with these gnomes. I found my gnomes at Hobby Lobby. I have this large one here. He's about 8 inches tall and about 5 inches from fingertip to fingertip and about 1 inch thick. Cute. I like this gnome. And then I found these also at Hobby Lobby. Look at these. I bought 2 packages of these. And this is what comes in the package. You get 3 gnomes like this. Look at them. They each have a different pose or a different design to each gnome. And it also comes with this mushroom. We won't be using the mushroom today, so I'm going to put this aside. I also have a couple of more items, well, a few more items that I want to use in my project. I have this frame that I found at the Dollar Tree. It's a shadow box, really cute. It has glitter in it. And I also have this truck, and it says Happy Harvest. Came from the Dollar Tree. Now this comes on a stand like this. So I have that. I also have some hay bales. These mini hay bales came from the Dollar Tree. I'm not quite sure how many I need, but I do have 3 packages available. And then I have a few more items from the Dollar Tree. There's this one that says give thanks. And I do have these little stands. Now these I saved from my Halloween projects. I thought I might, work with that to get my gnomes to stand like that. I also have some squared cubes, and I will be painting my gnomes today, so you decide what, how you want to color your gnome. I will let you know if we need any additional supplies as we craft along. Let me show you the colors I'm working with today. I have my acrylic gesso in white. I will be using this as a base for my colors. And I have Harvest colors with me today. I have the Mountain Forest, English Ivy, Antique Gold, Yellow, Harvest Orange, Orange, Real Brown, Golden Brown, White, and Black. Of course, you will need a sealer for all your hard work. Today I am using a wax sealer, and the first thing I want to do is gesso all my pieces, and then I will do my painting. I am going to go ahead and put on some music for you. back and look, this is what I have been up to all along. Creating gnomes. Let me show you a closer look. Here is my gnome with the polka dot hat. I gave this one some green polka dots and had colored his mustache. And I did put the buckles on all my gnomes. See, I put buckles on the shoes. And here's one with the starburst. Now here's the orange polka dot one. Look at that. Adorable. Here's one with the green striped hat. And then I put the orange striped hat in the frame here. And then the other starburst is right there. Really cute. Here is my big gnome. Look at that. Just adorable. I didn't want to do too much to it, so all I did was I put stripes on the hat and then I just outlined it and then put cuffs on the shirt he's wearing. I like it. Really cute. And then I have the one here that's on the stand. And this is how I plan to display my gnomes. I'm going to put them on the stand and put some hay bales on there like that, and then some miniature pumpkins there. I think that's adorable. And then of course here's my frame one. I put the truck with the pumpkins in the frame and one gnome. And then I did leave the stars confetti in there. Look at that. I like it. I did use a music sheet background. See there? Adorable. And I did put the give thanks up here on the outside of the frame. Just adorable. I like it. I'm very happy with the way they all turned out. Well, thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.